As we are learning Bash for beginner, here I will explain two operator. It is little bit not fully beginner, but you will understand it. Okay, one is AND operator and one is OR operator. AND. Okay, let me explain at first. And this is AND and this is OR. Okay. Okay, I will explain it. And this is okay. It means left side and right side both should be true. Okay, all right. This is how it works. If I write a command, left side and right side both should be true. ls, I'm typing ls and I'm typing this, and ls command I typed right, you see this, and if I type echo success, okay, you see that ls printing it is running command successfully and also printing success. So when left side and right side correct both condition, then this will execute. Okay, now question is that how you will understand. Let's say I am typing wrong here. I type lss, so this is wrong what it shows. So you see, when it is wrong, it also does not work. That's you understood now. Both should be right correctly. If you write here, let's say echo wrong, here let's write, see what happens. Okay, it is showing that first part of the command, but it is success, it is not completing the command because one is false. So here it does not suppress the left side command when it is right. Okay, but for both to be successful, both should be true. Okay, so exit status is correct, that's why it is printing this. Even I type this left side is wrong, it will work because exit status is true. For ls, previous video I showed what is exit status, you can see. And now let's say I'm typing both is wrong. Okay, you see that bash ls this command not found and this is command not found. This is how AND operator work, both should be right. If I use OR, let's say I'm using OR, this is our OR command or operator. Okay, here both are wrong, typing wrong. I am now correct it, type this correctly and type this correctly. It will print. Okay, it is going to print one should be true. So result, you will get one result, not both. So ls correct, so it is showing. Now let's say I am typing here ls is wrong. Okay, now ls is wrong, left side is wrong, but right side is correct, so it is printing the right side. Okay, it does not need to print both. Or means it will show. If you write both correct, you will get one. First one should be right, that is okay. Now I can change the command. Let's say you type here ls and ls. So you get one result. Okay, now if you type ls wrong, other ls going to work. So and an OR operator. AND operator means both sides should be true, and OR operator means one should be right. That is the main concept of and OR. I hope you understand. In summary that ls and echo success. Okay, success. So it will show both. When one is wrong, left side will show because it has exit status. Now I am making correction here and making wrong here. Okay, you will not get the result because one left side, when it is wrong, it cannot reach other side or both. Okay, and if you write use the OR operator, only one should be right. So you get the one result. If this is wrong, it still you get the right side result. That's all about OR and if you have any question, please write